little snack. Oh, no, I'm not in my dress.
Those are my dad's ponies.
Are they?
Yep.
That's cool.
They're Norwegian ponies. Buttermilk. Buttermilk and I'm not sure which one's who. Oh, I can't think of the other one's name. Both male and female. Hey.
I know, you're scared. You're timid. It's all right.
Yeah, I'll have to bring Sid out. Yeah, those are my dad's ponies. That's where they went.
Did you take a picture of the spotted one?
I'm recording right now.
Oh.
Hey.
I didn't know that.
You want food, don't you? Hey.
Sid would be out here in a heartbeat.
Buttermilk. Here. Come here. You two've never liked me. Buttermilk, I can't. You two've never liked me.
Hi. I know, you just want everything. I know. I know. You just want food. I know. And you're the bully. Come here. Come here.
Yeah, they're Norwegian ponies. I said that's Buttermilk back there. That one. I can't remember the other one's name. So I was wondering where they went. My dad gave them to my uncle. I'm recording this for Sydney. She won't let anybody hear her.
Oh, of course not. Can't say as I blame her.
Mary, you want some more? I'll get some more grain for you.